before doing intention, before doing anything, I'm looking and I'm asking myself the $1 million question, I call it. And that question is one word, which means intention.
Is my Allah.
One word. Why? 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 There's two words. It's very simple in the English language. It's the base of our deen. It's why and how. Why and how. You know what is that, right? Al-ikhlas in the deen terminology, they call it al-ikhlas wal-mutaba'a. Al-ikhlas meaning only for Allah, sincerity. Al-mutaba'a following the path of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. So number one, I learned why I'm doing things. Alhamdulillah. What else?
Think before you're going to say something. Think.
Okay, so think before you do or say something. That's amazing. Amazing, because what's going to happen when you think? Now going to come the forces. It's going to tell you, me, which heart I have and which one is the dominant. I don't think any one of us, alhamdulillah, have a dead heart. Otherwise, you're not going to be here, right? Do we have al-qalb al-salim? I can't say. I am not with you in the house every day, right? Most of us are the sick heart, but it depends how sick is the heart, right? Is the heart very sick? Is the heart little bit not sick? Or
some responses from
okay.
the online
So
viewers.
everything I do, taking it back to Allah, alhamdulillah. So intention and remembering Allah in everything. That's beautiful, right? I have started noticing my weaknesses more. Alhamdulillah. Niyyah. They put it nita, but I'm sure they meant niyyah. What else I learned? So I think this is actually amazing. If I think before everything I do and I say, and I am looking and examining, putting my intention under the microscope. Okay, what else?
Staying away from the black area, and then when I go into the gray part of the deen where it's like either right or wrong, I feel a stretch, like I feel something. I mean,
so stay from the black ones. Oh, that's amazing. That means you absolutely know al-haram from the halal.
Right.
There's no doubt. That's beautiful, right? If I come to the I don't know, which happens a lot, what's the answer for the I don't know?
And I should stay away.
Stay away from it. That's the famous hadith of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. If Allah holds and we'll continue the hadith in the next course, that's the first thing we're going to study. The first hadith, al-halalu bayn wal-haramu bayn. Halal is obvious and the haram is obvious. Okay, beautiful. More. What did I learn?
So how, like how you said the how. So
Yeah.
I'm doing it in according to the sunnah.
Okay, so if I am asking myself how, beautiful. How do I know the answer? I'll say, of course I'm doing it according to the sunnah. How do I know I'm right? What do I need to learn? What do I need to learn? Sunnah. And how do I know I'm doing it according to the sunnah if I have no idea what is the sunnah? Right? So, alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin. How and why? Oh, actually, it's first why. Why and how. Keep this in everything. And this is the best thing you teach the children. This is the best. 3, 4, 5, 7, 10 teenagers. Don't say because I love you. That's not for Allah. Because when they go to college, it's done. Right? And don't look for it, because sometimes they don't say it, but we look for it. No, say you want one answer is for Allah. The 2, 3 year doesn't know what this means. The 6 and 7 they start. 10 and 11, that's your best time to engrave in it. Why? And I'm talking about things for Allah. Yani the deen. Why do you want to go to the masjid? Even these things. I'm not talking about going for a vacation. I'm talking about even the Islamic things. Why are you going to the masjid? Why do you want to go to Sunday school? Why do you want to go to IDS? Why you are here? Why you are in a class?